Does GoDaddy come with SSL? GoDaddy offers SSL certificates, but they do not come included with all hosting plans. Here's a breakdown of SSL availability and when you may need to purchase one. 1. SSL certificates with hosting plans. Basic hosting plans. GoDaddy's basic shared hosting plans do not include an SSL certificate by default. You can purchase one separately for an additional cost. Managed WordPress hosting. GoDaddy's managed WordPress plans typically include a free SSL certificate for the first year. After the first year, you may need to renew it for a fee. 2. Free SSL certificates for some plans. Website builder plans. GoDaddy's higher-tier website builder plans may come with a free SSL certificate for the first year. This is especially true for the online store plans. Microsoft 365 email accounts. While SSL certificates are not included with email hosting, your GoDaddy email service may still benefit from SSL encryption for secure communication. 3. Purchasing SSL certificates. If your hosting plan does not include SSL, you can purchase an SSL certificate from GoDaddy. They offer different types of certificates such as standard SSL, basic encryption for websites. Wildcard, SSL covers all subdomains of a domain. Extended validation, EV. SSL offers the highest level of security with a visual trust indicator for users.